In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a list in Microsoft To Do. If you've ever wanted to tidy up your lists or make their names more descriptive, renaming them in Microsoft To Do is quick and straightforward. This works the same way on Windows, the web, and your mobile device, with only tiny differences in how you click or tap. Start by opening Microsoft To Do. You can do this on your computer, in a browser, or on your phone. On the left side, you'll see your sidebar with all your lists. Click or tap the list you want to rename so it opens in the main view. You'll notice the list's current name at the very top of that view. To rename it, click or tap directly on the list's name at the top. It will become editable right away. Now type the new name you want. When you're done, press Enter on your keyboard, or simply click or tap outside the name field. There's no separate Save button here. Your change is applied immediately. You'll see the new name appear instantly in the sidebar and at the top of the list. If you're on Windows or using the web version, there's another easy option. Right-click the list name, choose Rename List from the menu, and then type your new name. This can be handy if you prefer using context menus or if the title field isn't immediately editable for you. A quick note about what can and can't be renamed. You can only rename lists you created yourself. Some of the built-in lists, like My Day or the app's default to-do list, are fixed and won't offer the rename option. If you don't see the name become editable or you don't see the Rename List command, it likely means that list is not customizable. After you rename a list, the change should sync across your devices automatically through your Microsoft account. If you have To Do open on your phone and your computer at the same time, give it a moment and you should see the new name appear on both. This won't affect any tasks inside the list. Everything stays exactly where it is, with only the label changing, so it's a safe way to keep your workspace organized. That's all there is to it. Open To Do, select your list, rename it at the top, and save by pressing Enter or tapping outside. On Windows or the web, you can also right-click and choose Rename List. Keep those list names clear and consistent, and you'll find it much easier to stay on top of your tasks.